Hello, I'm Jared Pratt. I'm one of the coaches here at Marriage Helper. In 2015, I was the spouse who was going to leave my marriage. This was at the end of a long season of being emotionally and physically disconnected from my wife. I blamed her for a lot of my problems. I grew resentful toward her. I was bitter and angry. On the outside, it would seem as though her and I do not have a lot of common interest. We don't have children together. She prefers the outdoors and long walks and horses, whereas I prefer the city and fast internet and easy access to pizza. And so I thought if only she would change, our relationship would be able to work better. I mean, after all, her and I were both good people. Why couldn't we make this work? Things truly felt hopeless. When I went searching for divorce information, I found a Marriage Helper article instead. I was skeptical at first, of course. I did not believe that I wanted to save my marriage. But as a way to justify myself walking away, I wanted to be able to say that I had tried everything. And so I investigated Marriage Helper. Learning about the pies, and particularly for me, the wall and the bricks, were game changers. Learning that I needed to make myself vulnerable so that people had the opportunity to accept me was a new thought that in my heart I wasn't living. I was projecting on the outside that things were okay, that I was happy, but actually on the inside, I was broken and alone. I thought that if people knew the real me, that they would reject me. And I believed the same thing about my wife. I did not give her a chance to give me acceptance because I did not reveal my true feelings to her. When I started to navigate the giving of bricks to my wife, Marriage Helper personnel were there to help me every step of the way. It was still a journey. It took the better part of a year before my feelings toward my wife began to change. Not long after, we attended the workshop, which was a phenomenal experience. After the workshop, it was as though I had met my wife again for the first time. We both had the tools to share openly and honestly. My friend and my partner, the girl I had known in high school, she was still here in this world with me, and I was still here with her. And we had a renewed sense of hope. Since that time, our marriage has continued to improve. We both continued to learn new things. Today, I have a very, very satisfying relationship, and she's satisfied as well. We are open and honest with each other. Things are not as difficult as they were. There are still troubles, to be sure, but we have the tools to navigate those now. The journey toward a good marriage can feel difficult, but I promise you it's worth it. Anything that is valuable is difficult to get. If it wasn't, it wouldn't be valuable. If I can assist you in the navigation of your journey, I'd be honored to do so as your coach. Thank you very much to Marriage Helper for this opportunity, and I look forward to working with you.